Hello student, welcome back to your online class. Today we are going to study about wild animals. Okay, chapter 8, page number 41. Wild animals means which animals live in the forest. Okay, for example, tiger, lion, monkey, etc. They are wild animals who lives in forest. Okay, come down, there is the introduction. Wild animals are helpful in maintaining the ecosystem. They also provide us many useful things to us. Okay, wild animals is very useful, helpful in maintaining the ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem means plants and animals that lives in particular area, okay, together with complex relationship that exist between them and their environment. Okay, and this wild animal is very useful, okay, very useful for us. Okay, they gives us many useful things for us. They provide us many things for us. Okay, wild animals live in the forest. For example, tiger, fox, rhinoceros, giraffe, crocodile, monkey, etc. I have already said that wild animals live in the forest, right? And I have given the example also, right? Here are some examples: tiger, fox, rhinoceros, giraffe, crocodile, monkey, etc. These all animals live in a forest, and these animals called wild animals. Okay. Look down, there are types of animals. There are different types of animals based in their food, size, shelter, etc. Okay. Some animals, they will have their own type of food. Okay, different type of food. They are different. They will eat different type of food. All animals, they will live different places. Okay, there will be their house in different types of, okay, and there will be different sizes. Some they will be big, some there will be small, some there will be in medium sizes. Okay, so now let's study big animals. As name suggests, they are big in size. Here are some names that suggested these animals are big. Okay, elephant is the biggest land animals. In this land, you will only get elephant is the biggest animal. Okay, and you know elephant eat up to 150 kg food, and also elephant drinks 180 liters of water daily. You know. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Do you have seen giraffe in any time in Discovery Channel? Their neck will be very long, and we call this giraffe is the tallest animal. Okay. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. The blue whale is the largest animal on the planet. Okay, and this blue whale are found in all ocean except in Arctic Ocean. Okay. Now we finish studying about big animals. Okay. Now come down. There is a medium sized animals. Okay. Different size animals we are studying. Okay. Animals, medium sized animals. Animals like lion, tiger, bear, etc. medium in size. Medium means neither big nor small. Okay. Let's study what are they. Okay. Lion, tiger, bear. These are the animals. They are in medium size. Okay. Lion, tiger, and bear. These three animals, others are also there, but in book these three are mentioned. Okay, these are the medium animals. Okay, now come next page. Heavy animals. Okay, heavy means more weight. Okay, they're more weight, they're heavy weight. Okay, heavy animals. Rhinoceros and hippopotamus are very heavy in weight. Okay, these two animals have their weight in heavy. Okay, these two animals are heavyweight. Okay, and in India you will get one horn rhinoceros. Okay, one horn rhinoceros. But in Africa you will get two horn. Okay, two horn rhinoceros. There will be two horn rhinoceros. Okay, now come down. There are small size animals. Monkey, deer, fox, hyena, etc. are small in size. Okay, these animals are small animals. Okay, in animals they are small. These four animals are small in size. Monkey, deer, fox and hyena are the small in size. Okay, these are the small sized animal. Okay, now we finish studying animals. Okay, now let's study about insect. Okay, insect means small certain animal like fly, ant, etc. Okay, they are the insect. Okay, now let's study about insect. Okay, most insects have 6 legs. They may have wings to fly. For example, ant, mosquito, grasshopper, etc. Okay, most of the insect they will have their 6 legs. Okay, they will have their 6 legs, and also some insect they will have their wings also to fly. Okay, here are some example. Okay, ant they will have 6 legs, and mosquito they will also have 6 legs, and also they will have wings to fly also. Okay, grasshopper also they will have 6 legs, and also they will have wings to fly also. Okay, now come birds. Birds have 2 legs, 1 beak and wings to fly. For example, crow, duck, ostrich, etc. All of them lay eggs. Okay, they lay eggs. Okay, birds, you have seen no birds, they will have 2 legs. Okay, and 1 beak. Okay, beak means like this. Okay, and wings also to fly here and there. Birds can fly here and there. Okay, and here are some example given. Cow, duck, ostrich. Okay, these are the birds whose leg will be 2. There are others birds also there, but in book 3 of the birds have mentioned. Okay, they will have 2 legs, 1 beak and wings to fly also. Okay, and they will lay eggs also. Okay, they will lay eggs also. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Yes, ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Okay, its egg is so strong that we can stand on it, and ostrich egg will be very strong. In that egg we can stand also. Okay, if we stand in that egg also, it will not break. That means ostrich egg will be very strong. Okay, now reptiles. Reptiles means a vertebral animals. Okay, who have cold-blooded animals. Okay, which have skin covered with small hard plates. Okay, small hard plates. Okay, now let's study. They lay on the ground. They have 4 legs, and most of them lay their eggs on land. For example, lizard, snake, etc. Snake have no legs. Okay, these reptiles will lay on the ground. They will only walk in the ground. Okay, they will have 4 legs. Okay, they will have 4 legs. Okay, they will have 4 legs. most of the these reptiles, they will put their whole body down, and they'll whole body in the land, and they will walk. Okay. For example, lizard, snake, and also snake will not have their legs. Okay, snake will have no legs. Okay. And crocodile is the strongest reptile in the world. In reptile, strongest reptile is crocodile. Okay. Now down, shelter of wild animals, where animals they will live. Okay. Shelter means their house where they will live. Okay. Wild animals live in the natural shelter. Okay. These wild animals, they will live in the forest, in nature, with nature. Okay. With forest they will live. Animals like elephant, giraffe, zebra lives in large groups. They live under the trees. Okay. This elephant, giraffe and zebra, they will live in large group. They will have their group will be in large. Okay. And they lives under the tree. Okay. They will protect by themselves in under the tree. Okay. They will shelter under the tree. Next page. Animals like lion, tiger, wolf lives in a den. Okay. And lion, tiger, wolf, they will stay in a den. Den means you have seen maybe big stones, and inside there will be little space, and that called den. Okay. That will call den. And wolf, lion, tiger, they will stay in that den. Okay. In their house they will call den. They will shelter themselves in their house. That house called den. Okay. A bear lives in a cave. Okay. And bears lives in a cave. Okay. In jungle there will be big cave. Okay. In that cave bear will live. Okay. Animals like apes, monkeys, squirrel lives on the tree. Okay. Monkey, apes, squirrel, they will live in a tree. Okay. They will shelter by themselves in a tree. Okay. Rats and snakes lives in a hole. And snake and rat, they will sit under the earth. Okay. Under the land, and they will sit in the hole. Okay. Rabbit lives in burrows. Okay. Rabbit, they will live under the burrows. Okay, like this. It will be like this. Rabbit will shelter in burrows. Okay. Now comes second page. Okay. Camel lives in stable. Okay. Camel shelter theirself in a stable. Okay. They will have stable. Okay. Crocodile, turtles, frogs, hippopotamus can live both in water and on land also. And these animals, they will live in the water also, in the land also. Both place they will live. Okay. These animals, they will live in both places. Okay. Okay. Now, what type of food they will eat? Okay. These animals, what type of food they will eat? Okay. Let's study. Eating habits. All animals depend on different type of food for their growth. Yes, all animals need food to live. Okay, like for us, we also need food to live, right? So animals also need for their growth, right? So they depend on different types of food. Okay, now let's study. Herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals means those who eat green plants. Okay, green plants, only green grass, like that. Okay. Animals like elephant, zebra, giraffe, deer, etc. eat only grass, leaves and other parts of plants are called herbivorous animals. Okay. Herbivorous means those who eat grass, leaves. Okay. And who are the animals? Those who will eat herbivorous, that grass, leaves. Who are the one who will eat? They are elephant, zebra, deer, okay, etc. Cow. Okay, these animals are the herbivores. Okay, those who eat grass, leaves. Okay, green. Okay, now comes next page. Carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals means those who eat flesh. Okay, flesh means meat. Okay, those who eat meat. Okay. Animals like lion, tiger, fox, wolf, etc. eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. And these animals, they will eat others animal. Okay, they will eat meat. They will eat others animals, and they are called carnivores. Okay, they will only eat flesh. Okay, they will eat only others animals. Okay, and they are called carnivorous. Omnivorous means both. They will eat both plants and plant also, flesh also. Flesh means meat. Okay, they eat both. Okay, who are the animals? Okay, animals like bear, cow, etc., crow, etc. eat both plants and flesh animals and are called carnivorous animals. Okay, these are the animals who eat both. Okay, plant also they will eat and flesh also they will eat. Okay, bear, crow, they will eat both, flesh also, plant also. Okay, but some animals eat the leftover flesh of the animals. Okay, hunted by others, big animals like fox, jackal, hyena, etc. Okay, some of the animals they will eat leftover means these animals who have eat after they will eat and they will leave they will leave some meat, then these animals will eat that leftover meat. Okay, and these animals will called scavengers. Okay, scavengers. Okay, these animals they help in keeping the jungle clean, and also these animal will help to keep the jungle clean. Okay, because they will eat the leftover meat. No, they will eat leftover flesh of the animals. Okay, after eating whatever they will left, they will eat, and jungle will be clean, and these animals will call scavengers. Okay, come here. Insect eating animals. Okay, which animal eat insect? Okay, insect means I have already said, no, small insect. Okay, animals like frog, spider, lizard, kingfisher, etc. depend on insect and worms for their food. Okay, for frog, spider, lizard, kingfisher, they will eat insect for to grow, for their self. Okay, to live, for their survive, they will eat insect. Okay, these are the animals who will eat insect. Okay, now we finish the chapter. Come down, there is a answer the following question. The question this I will send you in WhatsApp group, but these all notes you do in your exercise book. Okay, exercise copy. Okay, B, fill in the blanks. These are the options. Okay, number 1, dash is the tallest animal. Which animal is the tallest animal? Giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Number 2, tiger is the dash sized animal. Okay, tiger is the bigger size or small size or medium size? It's a medium sized animal. Okay, medium, medium sized animal. Okay, number 3, dash is the biggest bird. Which is the biggest bird? Ostrich is the biggest bird. Okay, ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird. Okay. This animal eat only plant. Which animal eat only plants? Herbivorous animals eat only plant. Okay. Herbivorous. Herbivorous animal eat only plants. Okay. 5. This animal eat both plants and flesh. Which animal eat both plants and flesh? Omnivorous. Omnivorous. Omnivorous animal eat both plants and flesh. Okay. Okay. Down C. Write T for true, F for false. Okay. Which sentence is correct? You write that T, and which sentence is wrong? You write there false. Okay. Wild animals eat only flesh of other animals. No, this one is false, because some animals they will eat plant also, right? Grass they will eat. That means this one is false. 2. A bear live in a cave. Right or wrong? A bear lives in a cave. This one is right or wrong? This one is right. A bear is live in a cave. Okay. This one is T. Okay. 3. Elephant live in a den. So, elephant live in a den is a false. Okay. Elephants live in the under the tree. Okay. This one is false. Rabbit lives in a hole. No. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Okay. This hole, snake and rabbit they will live. So this one is also false. A jackal helps to clean the jungle by eating dead animals. Right or wrong? This is right, because the jackal eat leftover food, leftover flesh, and jungle will be clean. This one is true. Okay. Now down D. Match the column. Okay. Rabbit